Next, we configure the portal and E2 to be able to call NiC inContact API or connect to your CRM. Where we do that is in the portal. So it's portal.custardynamics.com. Portal.custardynamics.com. You will see the login, and you have been assigned an email and a password to get into this portal. Again, this email is not your company email. It's an email that we assign to you for accessing the portal. Sign in. And in the top right, you will see a gear icon. This is the connection. So first off, you'll see telephony at the very top of the new menu, and you pick the cluster. We're going to go walk through both ways. So we're going to hit the B32 first, which is a user hub, and then we'll come back and show you how to do it for B2, which is central. So first you pick your cluster, and this is where all that information we had comes in handy. So we have the business unit, the access key, we have the secret, and the rest of this, unless you are outside of North America, these two are perfect, and we can't save. To enable save, we have to test the connection, make sure that's a valid connection. It is a valid connection, so we can then save it. All right, so ignore this because it is now saved.